Welcome back, students. Again, this one is Olympiad question. The question is what if 2 whole to the power x minus y equal to 3 and 3 whole to the power x plus y equal to 5, then we have to find the value of 4 to the power x square minus y square. So we just write this one solution 4 to the power x square minus y square using the algebraic identity a square minus b square, that is a plus b or a minus b. Okay. Now 4 you can write 2 square, then it remains x plus y into x minus y. In the next step, this x minus y we bring with 2. It is 2 to the power x minus y, and whole thing we just write like this 2x plus y. This x minus y comes with 2, that exponent to power 2 multiplied with x plus y. Why I am doing this one? Because 2 to the power x minus y is given 3. That is, we are putting value 3. That is 3 now square 2x plus y. In the next step, we do just 3x plus y with 3 and 2 remain outside. Why? Because 3 to the power x plus y is given 5. So that is 5 square. So answer will be what? 25.